Here a little update on what I picked up on Black Friday, Red Apple. Yeah, some two of these Space Riders. I think they were like $5. Um, three little squealers. Those were $3. Caution Dangerous. Got two of those. There were I believe like two of these coconut groups. Um, those were I believe like $7 or $8. 19 shots. One of these prime targets. This is a 25 shot, 200 grams. Was $5. Um, Beyond Infinity also. It's a nice loud cake. It's 16 shots, and I think that one was not sure. I think five or six. Not really sure. I think five. Let's say five. Held a basket. Also, I was on Black Friday special. Not sure about this one. I think it was like $10. Two of these windows, 19 shots. Um, fuck, I forgot. Probably around $8. One of these 1.4G canisters, 5 inch, $10. Another one of pagoda shells, $30. 29.99 taxes. It's $30. So Triumph, limited edition, 60 gram. Also, that was $30. Um, got the calibrated shells. How much was this one? $20. Three boxes. G4s out. 5 shot, 500 gram. This one, I went on Friday. It was $10. $10 for the G4s. Triumph. Also, $10 entrance. Actually, got two of these. Two. Rhapsody, $10. Starkeeper also, I think it was like $10. Smackdown. I'm not sure. I think it was like $15. LOL. Wenda 2 inch. $20. 25. Far too strong. $15. I got the loudmouth. $20. It's like pretty big too. I think it was like about 2 inches at least. Two and a half, around two and a half inch. $10. Window, 20 shots, 500 grams. $10 at the door. Triumph, also $10. Out there, gorgeous. 15 $15 is a 30 shot, 500 gram cake. Pagoda, also $10. So that's what I picked up. Red Apple on Black Friday. Plus, whatever I have over here, same stuff all the way to the end. Lots of stuff in the bag, the Thunder Keens, a couple more cakes over there, and all these ghost wires. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe.